WordPress is a content management system, or CMS. This means it's a software that you can install on your server to have an interface with which you can create the content for your website, as well as other aspects such as design and functionality. Furthermore, WordPress is the leader among all CMSs on the market, as over 40% of all websites in the world are made with this content management system. WordPress is an open-source CMS and it is completely free. You can download it for free at wordpress.org and install it on your server to create a website. You can do everything: add content, change the appearance of the website, modify its functionality, etc. And of course, all under your control on your own server and domain. However, you should not confuse wordpress.org with wordpress.com. WordPress.org is where you can download WordPress for free, as I just explained. However, WordPress.com is a service that allows you to create your website on WordPress's own servers in exchange for an annual fee. In other words, your WordPress, and with it the functionality of your website, will be limited based on what you pay. Something that, of course, does not happen with the free version of WordPress.org, which is free and has no limitations. So if you want to develop a website at zero cost and make it grow without limitations, the best option is to download the free version of WordPress.org. Additionally, to expand the functionality of WordPress much further and fully customize the website, you can visit LibreNetworks.com, a platform where you can download the best premium plugins and themes for WordPress for just €10 per month. You will find the links in the description.